Hi, Corey here with a quick Project 421 info nugget on citizenship. Now I bet you're familiar with US or United States citizenship, but did you know the courts describe US citizenship as federal citizenship? It's also very interesting to note that the courts also state that federal citizenship is distinct and different rights than state citizenship. There's a different kind of citizenship in the law distinct from US citizenship, and what is really amazing is that this forgotten citizenship, which is citizenship of the several states or citizenship of the Fourth Article, is the citizenship that the framers specifically protected and intended that the Bill of Rights directly apply. And when federal citizenship was created by legislative action of Congress, it did not include the Bill of Rights. In Jones v. Timmer, this is made very clear. The Privileges and Immunities Clause of the 14th Amendment protects very few rights because it neither incorporates any of the Bill of Rights nor protects all rights of individual citizens. I think that's pretty clear. And when we discuss state citizenship here on Project 421, there are two types recognized by the courts: citizen resident and citizen non-resident. This info nugget is focused on the latter, citizens who are non-residents of their state. One example of the courts distinguishing resident and non-resident is Schultz v. Union Pacific. It reads, "The policy of this state has been to bar none of its citizens from its courts where there is proper venue and jurisdiction of the parties and subject matter." And this applies to citizens who are residents as well as non-residents. And when we look at state law, the evidence suggests that a class of citizen is presumed to exist who identify as non-resident citizens and are treated very differently and have very different rights from any form of resident. This non-resident status is very powerful. At least the California State Code indicates so. Check this out. California Code of Civil Procedure 1062.5 reads, "Any individual claiming to be a non-resident of the state of California for the purposes of the personal income tax law may commence an action in the Superior Court in the County of Sacramento or in the County of Los Angeles or in the City and County of San Francisco against the Franchise Tax Board to determine the fact of his or her residence in this state under the conditions and circumstances set forth in Section 19381 of the Revenue and Taxation Code." This is amazing. Here the code indicates the only defense needed is to successfully move the courts to recognize an individual as a non-resident, which makes the California income tax non-operational on citizen non-residents. Think about this for a second. This is an amazing concept that no one I have ever met has been taught. California law presumes that there are people among us here in California who possess a class of citizenship that protects their freedoms. They're able to work, run a business, earn income, and not be subject to state income taxation. Learn state citizenship and share this with your friends. We need your help in getting this message to the people. State citizenship is the best method to protect your wealth, freedom, and perpetuate the union for posterity.